In 1 AD, Tiberius, acting under the orders of Emperor Augustus, played a crucial role in suppressing revolts that had erupted in the region of Germania. These revolts posed a significant challenge to Roman authority and required decisive action to maintain control and stability. 1. Tiberius, the stepson of Emperor Augustus and a skilled military leader, was entrusted by Augustus with the responsibility of addressing the revolts in Germania. Tiberius had already established a reputation as a capable commander through his previous military campaigns. 2. Revolts in Germania. The region of Germania, encompassing parts of modern-day Germany, experienced widespread revolts against Roman rule. These uprisings were fueled by a combination of factors, including resentment towards Roman taxation, military presence, and a desire for autonomy. 3. Emperor Augustus, the first Roman emperor, recognized the significance of suppressing the revolts in Germania to maintain Roman control and ensure the stability of the empire. He entrusted Tiberius with this task, relying on his military expertise and leadership. 4. Military campaigns. Tiberius led Roman legions in a series of military campaigns aimed at quelling the revolts in Germania. These campaigns involved both conventional warfare, with battles and sieges, as well as guerrilla warfare tactics used by the Germanic tribes. 5. Re-establishing control. Tiberius's primary objective was to restore Roman control over the rebellious regions of Germania. This involved defeating the rebel forces, capturing or eliminating their leaders, and establishing Roman authority through the deployment of military garrisons. 6. Strategic decision-making. Tiberius demonstrated strategic acumen during the campaigns in Germania. He formulated battle plans, adapted to the terrain and tactics of the Germanic tribes, and effectively coordinated his forces to achieve decisive victories. 7. Impact on Roman Empire. Tiberius's successful suppression of the revolts in Germania had significant implications for the Roman Empire. It ensured the preservation of Roman authority, prevented further destabilization, and maintained the territorial integrity of the empire. 8. Personal reputation. Tiberius's successful military campaigns in Germania enhanced his reputation as a capable and effective leader. This further solidified his position as the designated successor to Emperor Augustus. In summary, Tiberius's role in quelling the revolts in Germania in 1 AD highlights his military prowess, strategic decision-making, and his crucial contributions to maintaining Roman control over the region. This successful campaign bolstered Tiberius's reputation and set the stage for his future ascent to the imperial throne. Confucius, a renowned Chinese philosopher, received his first royal title of Baocheng Xuan Ni Gong. This significant recognition was bestowed upon him as an honor for his contributions and teachings in the realm of ethics, morality, and governance. The title Baocheng Xuan Ni Gong carries several meanings and reflects different aspects of Confucius' character and accomplishments. Let's break it down. 1. Baocheng. Baocheng translates to preserver of order or guardian of stability. This part of the title acknowledges Confucius' commitment to promoting social harmony, stability, and order in society. It signifies his emphasis on proper conduct, respect for authority, and the cultivation of virtuous behavior among individuals. 2. Xian. Xian means proclaimer or messenger. This component of the title highlights Confucius' role as a communicator and teacher. Confucius devoted his life to disseminating knowledge and wisdom to his disciples, emphasizing the importance of education, self-cultivation, and the pursuit of moral excellence. 3. Ni. Ni refers to reverent or dedicated. This element signifies Confucius' deep reverence and commitment to the principles he advocated. It underscores his unwavering dedication to self-improvement, personal ethics, and the pursuit of the way, Tao. 4. Gong. Gong translates to duke or nobleman. This part of the title conveys Confucius' elevated status and recognition within the royal hierarchy. Being granted the noble title reflects his impact on the intellectual and philosophical development of Chinese society during his time. Overall, the title Baocheng Xuan Ni Gong given to Confucius represents his contributions to maintaining social order, his role as a messenger of wisdom, his dedication to ethical principles, and his elevated status as a respected figure within the royal circles. It serves as a testament to the enduring influence of his teachings and the profound impact he had on Chinese culture and philosophy. The assignment of the birth of Jesus by Dionysius Exiguus in his Anno Domini era is a topic of historical debate and interpretation. Dionysius Exiguus was a 6th-century monk and scholar who is known for his work in calculating the date for Easter and for introducing the AD, Anno Domini, system for dating years. According to traditional Christian beliefs, Jesus Christ was born around the time of Herod the Great, who was a Roman-appointed king of Judea from 37 BC to 4 BC. However, Dionysius Exiguus' calculation of the year of Jesus' birth has been subject to different interpretations by scholars. Some scholars argue that Dionysius Exiguus placed the birth of Jesus in the year 1 AD based on his calculations and theological considerations. They suggest that he may have considered Jesus' birth as a significant turning point in history, marking the start of a new era. This approach aligns with the AD system's purpose, which was to establish a Christian-centered chronology. However, there is also considerable debate among scholars regarding the accuracy of Dionysius Exiguus' calculation. It is widely acknowledged that he made certain assumptions and estimates in his work, which may have led to inaccuracies. For instance, his calculation relied on historical events and biblical references, which themselves are subject to interpretation and uncertainty. Moreover, the Gospel accounts of Jesus' birth, found in the New Testament of the Bible, do not provide precise historical details that can be used to pinpoint an exact year. The Gospels of Matthew and Luke provide some contextual information, such as the reign of Herod the Great and the presence of certain historical figures, but the specifics are not definitive. As a result, it is challenging to determine with certainty the year of Jesus' birth based solely on Dionysius Exiguus' calculations. Different scholars have proposed alternative dates ranging from a few years before 1 AD to a few years after. The lack of concrete historical evidence and the varying interpretations of the available sources contribute to the ongoing debate surrounding the specific timing of Jesus' birth. It's important to note that Dionysius Exiguus' assignment of the birth of Jesus in 1 AD, while influential in Christian tradition, does not reflect a universally accepted historical consensus among scholars. The dating of Jesus' birth remains an area of ongoing research and discussion within the field of biblical and historical studies. Sextus Afranius Burrus was a Roman praetorian prefect who was born in 1 AD. He held a significant position in the Roman Empire during the 1st century AD. As a praetorian prefect, Burrus had the responsibility of overseeing the Praetorian Guard, a prestigious military force tasked with protecting the emperor and maintaining order in Rome. Burrus served as a praetorian prefect during the reign of Emperor Nero, starting from 51 AD. Alongside another prefect named Fenius Rufus, he played a crucial role in maintaining stability and ensuring the loyalty of the Praetorian Guard. Burrus was highly regarded for his competence, integrity, and leadership skills. His influence was particularly evident in his support of the philosopher Seneca, who was Nero's tutor and advisor. Burrus played a key role in shaping Nero's early reign and acted as a stabilizing force within the imperial court. His military expertise and principled approach earned him respect and recognition among his peers. Although details about Burrus's personal life and other achievements are limited, his contributions to the stability and governance of the Roman Empire during his time were significant. As a praetorian prefect, he helped maintain order and provided vital support to the emperor, leaving a lasting impact on Roman history. Isaetes II, also known as Monobaz II, was born in 1 AD and was a significant figure as the king of Adiabene, an ancient kingdom located in present-day northern Iraq. His birth marked the beginning of his life and eventual reign over the Adiabene region. Here is some additional information about Isaetes II. 1. Royal lineage. Isaetes II belonged to the royal family of Adiabene. He was the son of Monobaz I and Queen Helena of Adiabene, making him a member of the ruling dynasty. 2. Adiabene Kingdom. Adiabene was a prosperous and influential kingdom during the 1st century AD. It was situated east of the Tigris River and its capital was Arbela, modern-day Erbil. 3. Conversion to Judaism. One of the most notable aspects of Sextus' life was his conversion to Judaism. According to historical accounts, Sextus and his mother Queen Helena embraced Judaism, likely influenced by the Jewish diaspora in the region. They adopted Jewish customs and practices, including observing the Sabbath and following dietary laws. 4. Relationship with Roman Empire. Adiabene maintained a complex relationship with the Roman Empire. During Sextus' reign, the region was under Roman influence but retained some level of autonomy. It is worth noting that Sextus maintained a friendly relationship with the Romans and even provided support to the Roman military during certain campaigns. 5. Reign and achievements. Sextus ascended to the throne of Adiabene and ruled for an extended period. He implemented various reforms and policies to strengthen his kingdom. Additionally, he undertook construction projects, such as building irrigation systems, fortifications, and other infrastructure developments. 6. Expansion of influence. Under Sextus' rule, Adiabene expanded its influence beyond its borders. It extended its control over neighboring regions, including Nisibis and some parts of Armenia. This expansion helped Adiabene become a regional power in the Near East. 7. Succession and legacy. Sextus had several sons, including Monobaz II and Vologases, who succeeded him as kings of Adiabene. His conversion to Judaism had a lasting impact on the region, as it influenced the Jewish community in Adiabene and neighboring areas. Overall, Sextus' birth in 1 AD marked the beginning of a significant era for the kingdom of Adiabene. His reign, conversion to Judaism, and expansion of influence contributed to the historical and cultural legacy of the region. The death of Amanishakheto, Queen of Kush, is shrouded in historical ambiguity, and the exact details are not well documented. Amanishakheto was a prominent ruler during the Meroitic period of the Kingdom of Kush, but the specifics of her demise remain unclear. Amanashakheto's reign is believed to have taken place between the 1st century BC and the 1st century AD. She was known for her powerful rule and was one of the few female rulers of Kush. Her reign was marked by significant accomplishments and military victories, as well as her patronage of the arts and construction projects. Although the specific date of her death is unknown, Amanashakheto's legacy can be traced through archaeological discoveries. Her burial pyramid, located in the royal cemetery at Meroe, is one of the notable archaeological sites associated with her reign. Excavations at her tomb have revealed valuable artifacts and treasures, providing insights into her royal status and the cultural practices of the time. While historians and archaeologists continue to study and explore the ancient kingdom of Kush, the exact circumstances of Amanashakheto's death remain elusive, leaving much of her life and reign open to interpretation and speculation.